I realized that I have to do something great so that I can, so that I'll be in a very good position in later.
Okay, so hi guys, everybody. Hope you all are doing well. Today we have Ganesh with us here, who is from IIM Lucknow. So welcome on board, Ganesh.
Hi, Anisha.
Great. So Ganesh, tell me, how does it feel? Like, did you think when you were a kid that you will make it to IIM Lucknow, or how was it? I was seeing your acads also, matlab start se leke your 90 all throughout academics, gold medalist, engineering. इतनी पढ़ाई करी.
Yes, Anisha, it happened. I don't think somebody would know that they'll go to Butler College when they were when they were in their childhood, right? So things happened like step by step for me. At least for me, things happened step by step from 10th to intermediate, from intermediate to graduation, and to IIM Lucknow. It's a continuous process for me, and it happened in a stepwise manner for me.
Okay, that's nice. So tell me a little bit more about where have you done your schooling and how was your childhood like? You mentioned you are from a village in Andhra Pradesh, right?
Yes. Coming to my schooling, so I did my schooling in a school from my same town, like which is 3 kilometers from my village. So I did my schooling there. Initially, I studied in a government school in Telugu medium, and then converted to English medium in 8th standard. Where I got the opportunity to appear in Ravindra Bharati National Olympiad, and I secured district third rank in that. So that was a very that was very big moment for me. It made me to dream big. It made me to think more like, I can achieve something. I can do something. If I want to do something, I can do something. I just need to work hard to get that thing. So that feeling came at that point of time.
Okay.
And then I next to that, I got town third rank in 10th board exams, and then state 5th rank in intermediate exams.
Oh wow.
And then to Andhra Pradesh, Andhra University, one of the best colleges in Andhra Pradesh, and department first rank in that Andhra University.
Wow,
So and
so
then
it's been very nice. So when Ganesh, you shifted from your Telugu medium to the government school where, the English medium which was there, did you face any difficulties and challenges at that time कि सब कुछ नया जैसा है?
Yeah, I think of course whoever I think there are many people who shifted from Telugu medium to English medium. At least in my state, I think in many places they'll obviously shift. So like everyone, even I did had some difficulties while reading everything in English, right? So which is used to be in Telugu previously.
Correct.
So I just had to combine little letters to make a word, and then to paragraphs and sentences. So that's how it happened. As I told, everything is a continuous process for me. So I learned it like first 3 to 4 months. I used to I used to read lots of things like in English, so that I can get acclimated to that thing. So that's how it happened.
So the reading different things in English helped you, make your English stronger and then perform well in the studies all throughout.
Yes. Even if I have to say some English, no, even still now I feel like I'm not good at English at all. So sometimes I feel like I don't know whether I can speak English fluently or not. These things still comes to my mind whenever I have to attend a meeting, whenever I have to give a presentation, all these things.
Okay. So I must say, but it doesn't feel like that, Ganesh, at all. The way you are conversing and talking to us right now, it's so well. And, I'm sure even the people who are watching will feel like it doesn't come across that you did till 8th standard. Before that, you were studying in Telugu medium. So you've done a lot of hard work and, a lot of efforts. And I'm sure that's visible outright there. I'm sure you would have had such experience even at IIM Lucknow. Like, what made you finally then decide कि engineering में gold medalist के बाद में I have to go to IIM Lucknow then?
Yeah. In engineering, I did my engineering in biotechnology with chemical. So in at least in India, there are less chances for biotechnology graduate to do, right. So there are less job opportunities for them. So at one point of time, in at least in my engineering third year, I realized that I have to do something great so that I can, so that I'll be in a very good position in later.
Yes.
So so I heard about CAT from some of my friends. So he told me that in CAT there will be data analysis, DLR, data interpretation, logical reasoning, quantitative abilities, all these things. So which I thought those things will suit me well to crack exam. So I started preparing for them and I cracked a CAT. So I got into IIM Lucknow. So it happened.
That's nice. So it's really nice that you heard